When it comes to kitchen appliances, Samsung has long been a trusted name, known for its blend of innovative technology and sleek design. This Samsung Assy frame cooktop is no exception. This cooktop is a testament to Samsung's commitment to quality, functionality, and style. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Samsung Assy frame cooktop and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Features. 1. High-efficiency burners. The cooktop features multiple burners of varying sizes, designed to accommodate different types of cookware and cooking methods. Each burner is engineered to provide even heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly. 2. Digital touch controls. The cooktop is equipped with digital touch controls that are responsive and easy to use. These controls allow for precise adjustments of temperature and cooking time, enhancing your cooking experience. 3. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the Samsung Assy frame cooktop. It includes features such as an auto shut-off function, which turns off the cooktop if it detects overheating or if it has been left on for an extended period. This cooktop also has a child lock feature, preventing accidental changes to the settings by little hands. 4. Easy to clean. One of the standout features of this cooktop is how easy it is to clean. The smooth glass surface can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and because it is a flat surface, there are no nooks and crannies for food to get stuck in. This makes maintaining the cooktop's pristine appearance a breeze. The Samsung Assy frame cooktop comes securely packaged, ensuring that it arrives in perfect condition. The package dimensions are 34 inches in length, 28 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, which gives you an idea of the substantial size of this cooktop. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is its sleek, modern design. The cooktop is constructed with high-quality materials, and the finish is impeccable, reflecting Samsung's dedication to creating appliances that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The cooktop's frame is robust and designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The premium materials used in its construction not only enhance its durability but also contribute to its stylish appearance. The black glass surface is smooth and adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Additionally, the cooktop's design is intuitive and user-friendly, with clearly marked controls that make it easy to operate. Installing the Samsung Assy frame cooktop is straightforward, thanks to the comprehensive instructions provided. However, due to its size and electrical requirements, it is advisable to have a professional handle the installation to ensure it is done correctly and safely. The cooktop is designed to fit seamlessly into a variety of kitchen layouts, making it a versatile choice for many households. The performance of the Samsung Assy frame cooktop is where it truly shines. This cooktop is designed to deliver consistent and efficient cooking results, making it suitable for both amateur cooks and professional chefs. The burners heat up quickly and provide precise temperature control, allowing for a wide range of cooking techniques, from simmering delicate sauces to searing steaks at high heat. Users of the Samsung Assy frame cooktop have praised its performance and ease of use. Many have noted how quickly the burners heat and the precision with which they can control the cooking temperature. The intuitive touch controls are also a favorite feature, as they simplify the cooking process and allow for greater accuracy. The cooktop's design has also received positive feedback. Users appreciate the sleek, modern look and how it complements their kitchen decor. The ease of cleaning is another major plus, with many users noting that spills and splatters are easily wiped away, keeping the cooktop looking new. When it comes to value for money, the Samsung Assy frame cooktop is a strong contender. While it may come with a higher price tag compared to some other cooktops on the market, the quality, performance, and features it offers make it worth the investment. Samsung is known for its durable and reliable appliances, and this cooktop is no exception. It is built to last, ensuring that you get many years of use out of it. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek, modern design. High-quality construction. efficient and even heating, responsive digital touch controls, multiple safety features, easy to clean, versatile installation options. Cons: higher price point, requires professional installation. Conclusion: the Samsung Assy Frame cooktop is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a high-performance, stylish cooktop. Its blend of advanced features, efficient performance, and sleek design make it a standout in the market. While it may require a larger upfront investment, the long-term benefits and reliability it offers make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. Whether you're an occasional cook or a culinary enthusiast, this cooktop is designed to meet your needs and elevate your cooking experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.